Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey. Fenty Beauty is one of those brands that whenever it launched, it made a huge impact on the makeup society because of how much they advertised their product to let you know that they had shades deep enough for the deepest of us to be able to find a foundation, a concealer, setting powder, all of that. Fenty Beauty does not skimp when it comes to making sure that you know that they have a product for you. And of course, with it being a Rihanna backed brand, like, it became fairly popular fairly quickly. Now, in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a brand new product that has launched to Fenty Beauty. And if you've been following them on their Instagram page, I'm sure you've seen it. They're called the new semi-matte refillable Fenty Icon. Fenty always sends a booklet with their package. It says, made to be seen, high pigment, low maintenance, reds and neutrals for all. Creamy, semi-matte, lightweight feel, vitamin C and E to nourish and condition your lips. Hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture, designed to be refillable with 10 shades, curated by Rihanna. And then on the back, it tells you exactly how you are supposed to use the product. It comes in like tiny bullets that you have to put into the packaging that you can actually take out and put a different product in there. This is the PR for it. It's interesting. Okay, so if you want to see the new Fenty Beauty Icon swatched on me, then keep on watching. It doesn't come like in a fully formed lipstick container where it's like this. You open it, you twist it, your lipstick comes out, you twist it, you put it back. Okay, it comes, I have to show it to you this way before I can show it to you like this. It comes where this part is not part of the lipstick and the bottom part is also not part of the lipstick. All you're essentially, oh Lord, I broke it. All you're essentially getting with this lipstick is the lipstick itself and the little metal and the little plastic thing on the bottom. Okay, it doesn't come with all of this. It comes in the bullet like this, and this bullet is the thing that I showed you. This is just the cover. You take that off, and if you can turn it, this is the lipstick and it comes out like that. The other part of the lipstick is that it comes with this case. Okay, so this is the case that the actual lipstick is going to go into. You just flip it over and this thing falls out, and this is where you're gonna put the product into. Okay, so you're gonna take your little bullet thingamajig like this. You're gonna sit it in the base that fell from the top of the thing. You're gonna push it in and that clicks. Now once it clicks, you have a full functioning lipstick. Okay, you're gonna take this lipstick and you're gonna put it into the little container and it clicks in. Now to open it, you just twist the top of this and it pops out, and then you pull this out and you have a lipstick. Okay, so if you need to switch out your little bullet lipstick thingamajig, you come back, and I feel like there should be an easier way for this. You have your base over here. Just make sure that you don't lose the cover for the lipstick like I just did. You cover it, and you can put another lipstick into it. And then you put that lipstick back into the base and you're good to go. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and swatch these lipsticks for you, and then I'm going to take the most out of the Park shade that comes in the collection, and I'm going to use that to create a lip combo for you. The good thing is that these are not going to be sheer shades, so even though my lips are slightly stained, you're still going to be able to see the products. You can see the names of the lipsticks right on the side of it. So we're going to go in with our first shade, Mother Lover, and I already messed it up because I was trying to figure out the how this was supposed to be, but this is Mother Lover. Very opaque. It goes on very smooth. Next we have the shade Pose Queen. Next we have the shade Scholastica. Kind of sounds like Scholastica. Oh, I like this shade. Next we have the shade Ballin' Babe. Ooh, am I a ballin' babe? Next we have the shade Major Magnate. Okay, bye. Did I expect it to look like this? I don't know what I was expecting, but this is not what I was expecting. I feel like I've been liking all the shades I swatched so far. I want to say besides that first shade, which I'm like, I have to line it, the rest of the shades though are super gorgeous. I just wanted to see what this would look like with some gloss on it. This is very cute. And I can tell you right now that I know that the shades are actually graduating into deeper shades. This looks really, really good. Next we have the shade Flaunty Auntie. We're all about to be flaunty aunties, okay? Rihanna's preggers. We're gonna be flaunty aunties. Oh. Next, we have the shade She a CEO. Is this my perfect nude? Like the nude that makes me look like I have no color on my lip? Is this it? Babes, like just not too long ago, we did a lip swatch with ABH and this is cute. Neutrals, neutral. Okay, so next we have the shade Board Member. Oh, I did not expect this. I definitely didn't expect this. It looks so cute. I thought it was gonna be like a nice deep brown, but this shade is still a surprise. Next we have the shade the MVP. And this is what that shade looks like. This is definitely one of those neutral reds. Next we have the shade Grill Master. Grill Master is a little bit more on the orangey side. It's like an orangey red. And immediately I can tell that it feels different from the other ones. This one, as soon as I put it on, it gave me full blown soft matte feel. I'm gonna use Mother Lover in a lip combo for y'all so you can see exactly what it looks like on. I have backups to the backups of my Morphe Richie liner. I have a little bit of one left. I just can't find it. So I'm gonna open a new one. This is a lip liner called Richie by Morphe. It's a very good brown liner for my skin tone. So I'm gonna use it to line my lips. It is a very creamy liner and it goes on very smoothly. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the corners of my lips. I fill in the corners of my lips because it gives me that instant pouty kind of look without me having to do this. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Icon in the shade Mother Lover. Now, I swatched this and it looks like a shade that somebody's gonna say, I cannot wear that shade. But I always love these kinds of shades because they create a very gorgeous nude. Let me show you. So I put it directly in the middle of this lip look. And I'm just gonna smack my lips to blend it out. You can use a little bit or you can use a lot. You can apply it all over your lips or you can just put it in the middle like I did. I always go back and wipe the tips of my lipstick because my lip liner always transfers onto my lipsticks. You can always go back in and deepen your lines a little bit. Only if you want, you don't have to. And just like that, we've turned an undesirable shade into a nude lip shade. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of gloss on it because why not? So this is how I turned the most undesirable shade in the Fenty Icon collection into a nude lip for dark skin. That is it for me showing you guys the Fenty Icon collection. The shades in here are absolutely gorgeous and they can be worn any time of day. They feel gorgeous on the lips, very opaque. So you can actually do like few swipes to give you a more subtle light look, or you can like full blown swipe it on to give you that opaque cover every pigment on your lips kind of look. Let me know down below in the comments which shade was your favorite on me. I feel like you guys saw by my facial expression which ones were my favorite. Let me know down below in the comments which ones your favorite are and whether or not you're going to be picking it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you lots and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.